We'll guide you through how to make row static in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because large spreadsheets in Microsoft Excel often have header rows that disappear when scrolling. The users want a quick way to keep important rows visible at all times so navigation, comparison, and data entry become easier and more accurate. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the Excel Start screen fully appears before continuing to the next action. Open the workbook you want to edit so the correct file is loaded. Make sure your worksheet data is visible and fully displayed in the grid area. Identify the row you want to keep static on screen while scrolling through the sheet. Usually this is the top header row that contains your column titles and labels. Click the row number just below the row you want static so the correct reference line is selected. Confirm the entire row is selected and highlighted across the worksheet width. Move your cursor to the top menu bar where the main ribbon tabs are shown. Click the View tab in the ribbon to open view-related controls and layout tools. Look for the Window group in the Toolbar section under the View tab. Find the Freeze Panes button inside that Window group area. Click the Freeze Panes drop-down menu to open the list of freeze options. Review the available freeze options shown in the drop-down list carefully. Click Freeze Panes from the drop-down list to apply the static row setting based on your current selection. Notice a thin freeze line appears in the sheet to mark the frozen boundary. Scroll down your worksheet using your mouse wheel or scroll bar on the side. Confirm the selected top row stays visible while the rest of the rows move. Scroll back up to check alignment and confirm the correct row was frozen. Adjust again if you selected the wrong row by repeating the selection steps properly. Return to Freeze Panes to change the setting if needed using the same menu. Remove and reapply the freeze option if the result is not correct. Test scrolling several times to verify the static behavior works consistently. Save your Excel file after the static row is set so the change is stored.